Hi, my name is Sherry Norris, and I've been coming to see Dr. Braddock for, I guess, a little over a month. When I first started coming, I was having spasms in my lower back, and my neck hurt a lot. Didn't really know why my neck hurt, but doctors had always told me, you were born that way. You've got tight muscles, and that's just how it is. And actually, no, that's not how it is. We did some x-rays, and my neck doesn't have the curve it's supposed to, so there's been some deterioration. And Dr. Braddock has worked on my neck and my back, and I no longer have the spasms in my lower back that I did before. And the neck thing is going to take a little bit longer, but it feels so much better. You know, I can't tell you how much, what a difference it makes just coming and knowing that we're working on something to make me feel better. And that's just a great thing. And thanks, Dr.